South Main. Traffic is light to medium, blue to red light. Alright, he's losing all over the place. Coming up the river.
The 4th of December 2025, Southwest Ohio. During the evening rush hour, on Interstate 75 near Middletown, Ohio, a Dodge Durango SRT led troopers on a chaotic high-speed pursuit. The incident unfolded amid heavy traffic as the driver weaved through lanes, used the right shoulder to pass vehicles, and even drove into oncoming traffic, prompting multiple law enforcement units from neighboring jurisdictions to join the chase.
I see you, I don't see six.
Far right lane, far right lane. Taking Cincinnati Dayton.
Okay, we'll contact the Westchester.
Alright, it's possibly going southbound. Northbound Cincinnati. It's a Scat Pack Dodge. Not John A. Durango. We got supervisor.
Negative.
Alright, we're finding one right now. Traffic's medium to heavy. Coming up Fountain Boulevard. Doing a U-turn. I got a Westchester unit with me. Coming at you. White screen, I'm trying to get the plate. Alright, it's continuing south, continuing south over 75. Alright, he's gonna get back on northbound. RP is George Robert S-U-L-A. George Robert S-U-L-A.
Okay.
Alright, northbound. Coming up to Tylersville. Medium traffic. Left lane. I'm at 110. He's pulling away from me.
The 1780's been advised.
Re-advise.
1780 at post 14 has been advised.
Alright. He's still left lane. Medium traffic. Coming up to 129. Left lane. Medium traffic. So I got 130. I'll pump down. He's right back. 150.
I could tell who the driver took the window lieutenant.
Car going under Liberty Way. He's kind of pulling away from me. God dang it. I'm not losing traffic.
The return to attached to it.
Alright, I'm gonna lose it because traffic is not moving out of my way.
Okay.
Danger got anyone?
Attached with 83.
Alright, probably passing the rest area.
Hi, Matthew, 735. It's an all-grade Durango.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it off considerably. It's just stopping in front of me.
What's up for just advice?
Alright.
We still live over.
Probably past 63.
I've got that camera pulled up, haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, like I said, I couldn't tell. I guess everyone thinks I'm pulling them over. Yeah, I'm coming up to 65, so
I haven't seen it yet either. 1614 loaded. 1614 red light. Did you advise that you already struck an officer in Hamilton County? Okay. What's your opinion? Northbound of the 41, I can try and get off onto the shoulder underneath of the Austin Bridge. Okay, I'll catch you.
alright, I got him. He's way up ahead of me coming up to 122.
Try to keep up with you. You got more juice than I do.
I can see his tail lights going in and out of traffic.
I think we get you for spared.
Alright, he's using all the road. Right now he's in the left lane, coming up to 32. Sorry, I'm gonna have to get the written up for that one. He should have gone in a cop. Traffic's full medium. But you know where it is. I think we gave up 122 or
Okay, just a heads up, I'm stationary under Austin Boulevard, but there's too much traffic for me to throw stakes, and there's not really a safe distance for me.
I think he took 122. Maybe he took over. You can get over there and check. I don't see him anymore northbound.
I'm trying.
Right, he took 122. He took 122. Westbound on 122. Middletown's got him.
Go back north.
Alright, I'm still here. Yeah, I got him. I got two Middletowns units. Far right lane, 33 over 5. Medium traffic. Coming over to the left lane. He's using all 4 lanes to change traffic right now. Good God, man. Alright.
directions.
Alright, taking exit 36. Going westbound, westbound. Clear, clear, clear. Westbound on 123. I need a supervisor I can pit.
What's your speeds?
I've just asked for permission if I do get down to the speeds for a bit. He's driving oncoming traffic.
If you get the speeds and traffic flatten up, make sure you got cover.
Okay, yeah, I got the Middletown officers behind me as well, so I have additional units coming up to the roundabout in Sunny Brook.
Well,
Alright, we're going back in the park. Block him in here. Alright, I'm at 30. I'm going to pit. Pit. Driving through, coming back out. We took out a Middletown cruiser. Go. I think he had a Middletown cruiser head on.
I guess leave him tired.
I'm coming up to South Main. Traffic is light to medium, blue to red light. Alright, he's losing all over the place. Coming up the river.
Northbound.
Start the squad, we got an injured person. Start the squad.
Okay, if you're getting up in here, you're going to pick up 5 before you open up 22.
Back alley.
Okay. 1933 to round, 641.
There. Got her.
What's the address?
What's the address here?
Use caution, subject was reported to have a 61.
Guys, we need to find the passenger. Fuck on 2 other, go ahead and turn it.
What do you need? I think they got out. No passenger. Who's the passenger?
Which truck is
Right behind you, broke out.
The pursuit came to an end in a back alley behind the Sunny Springs area of Middletown, where the Durango SRT lost control after a head-on collision with a patrol cruiser. The driver was taken into custody at the scene, no longer able to flee. The incident concluded after nearly 15 minutes of high-speed pursuit, leaving significant damage but, fortunately, no civilian injuries. Ohio authorities stated that the suspect will face multiple charges related to reckless driving and resisting law enforcement.